Hello guys, in this video we will see what is VAC authentication error in Counter-Strike and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step on understanding the VAC authentication error. Content: this error message, often appearing as VAC was unable to verify your game session, signifies that Valve Cheat VAC, the automated system designed to detect software and hardware cheats, has failed to authenticate your connection or game client while attempting to join a Counter-Strike server. It does not necessarily mean you are cheating, but rather that something on your system is preventing VAC from confirming the integrity of your game files and environment, leading to a blocked connection to secure servers. Step: identifying common causes. Content: the VAC authentication error typically stems from several common issues. These can include corrupted or outdated game files, conflicts with third-party software such as overlay applications or antivirus programs that interfere with game processes, unstable internet connections that disrupt VAC's communication, or even issues with Steam client files. Less frequently, it might be caused by firewall restrictions, malware, or hardware problems affecting system integrity. Pinpointing the exact cause is crucial for an effective fix.
Step: verifying Counter-Strike game files. Content: the most frequent and often effective solution involves ensuring your Counter-Strike installation is intact and free from corruption. To do this, open your Steam client, navigate to your library, right-click on Counter-Strike, select Properties. Then go to the Install Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then scan all game files and replace any corrupted or missing ones. This process can take several minutes, and once complete, you should restart Steam and attempt to launch it again.
Step: troubleshooting conflicting software and network issues. Content: if verifying game files doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to investigate potential software conflicts or network problems temporarily. Disable any non-essential background applications, especially those with overlays like Discord overlay, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, Afterburner, or aggressive antivirus firewall software. Ensure your firewall isn't blocking or Steam. Additionally, restart your router and modem to refresh your network connection. You can also try running Steam as an administrator to ensure it has the necessary permissions to operate correctly.
Step: advanced fixes and reinstallation. Content: if previous steps fail, consider more advanced solutions. First, repair the Steam service by opening the Run dialog when retyping command and pressing Enter to open command prompt. Then type program files, system and Steam service seeks repair adjust path. If Steam is installed elsewhere, and press Enter after it completes. Restart your If the issue persists, a complete reinstallation of Counter-Strike or even the Steam client itself might be necessary. This ensures a fresh start, eliminating any deep-seated file corruptions or configuration issues that could be causing the VAC authentication error.